बलराम और सभी लोग धीरे धीरे उच्चारण करते करते आगे चले। बलराम और ब्रह्मा हे शुभ कृष्ण हे अंश श्याम सुबराज्यम विशाल 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 देव प्रस्थम परुषभ रूपम। हे शुभ कृष्ण हे अंश हे सिद्धाम हे शुभ हे विशाल हे वृषभ हे पुजस्वी हे देवव्रत हे गुरुभ। आप लोग देखो वृक्ष की तरफ देखो कैसे, अर्थात
trees. Look at the trees. Look, Krishna is telling the sakhas that have darshan of these trees.
वृक्ष की कुछ महिमा वर्णन है। देखो ये समस्त वृक्ष किस प्रकार
These trees,
धूप वर्षा
Barsa.
आदि के सहन करके
Look at the trees. Krishna is saying, look at the trees. They tolerate the rain.
विशेष करके परोपकारी है, जिसके उपकार करते हैं।
And pukar, like they are always calling out.
इसलिए जड़ से लेकर के पत्ता फल फूल सब
In the tree, you know, everything.
उपकार करते हैं।
Upkar karte means they respect each other, like from the leaves to the branches to the flowers in the tree. Look, you know, in this material world, whatever jivas are there, the number of jivas are there. There is a speciality, the one speciality of trees. Look, these trees, the birth, they are very, their janma is stressed. Why? Why is their birth superior? Because these trees are like sadhus. They've given their life. They've given their life. Just like sadhus. First, yes. The trees, we should upkar, means we should respect the trees. Why? The trees are giving us fruit. Some trees don't give fruit. Like they're very long, you know, like very tall trees. Then what's the faida? What's the need? What's the use of those trees? They don't even give shade. The tree, it doesn't give fruit. At least if it doesn't give us fruit, then at least give us shade. Without a shade, the shade the trees give, somebody who is wise, what does it? A wise person surrenders his life. Who is surgeon? Who would you call a surgeon? Who? He sacrifices his life. Even like if you... Actually, yes, you know, the person who sacrifices for good of others. There was one garden. There were many long trees in that garden. In these trees, there's many birds. They made their nest in those trees. At night time, these birds, excuse me, the birds were doing chi 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 at night. What do they do during the daytime? They fly away here and there to find some food. But at night, they come in before the sunset. around the sunset, around the time of sunset, these birds,
और पेड़ के ऊपर विश्राम करते
they used to come back, return back and take rest.
संत महात्मा
One day,
बगीचे में
Sant Mahatma,
आकर के पेड़ के नीचे
He's-
अपने आसन जो है जमा लिए
he put his asan under the tree. What is the nature of the Sant Mahatma?
शाम जहाँ पर होंगे संत
Wherever is Sam, wherever is night time, they will just put their asan and
मंत्र जप ध्यान
do the meditation.
किंतु देखो
But
सूर्यास्त के साथ ही साथ सारे पक्षियाँ
at
पेड़ पर बैठ
so sunset and these birds on the tree were doing chi chi chi,
बीट आदि कर रहे हैं फैशन आदि करने लगे।
and they started to pass stool.
ऊपर भी पढ़ने लगे
And then Sant Mahatma, the stool, the birds started to push, and the stool used to fall on the Sant Mahatmas, and Sant Mahatmas never complained.
ऐसे करते करते कुछ दिन
Like that, many days passed by.
पक्षी जो है
The birds,
पेड़ के ऊपर बैठते हैं
they were sitting on the bird trees, and when the Sant Mahatma was in deep meditation on his asan, and these birds used to pass stool, and used to fall on his head, on the Sant Mahatma's head. But Sant Mahatma didn't complain, didn't even say one word. If you say tale, if you clap, then at least with that sound the birds would go away. But Sant Mahatma didn't even do that. If there is a pigeon who sits on us, we would do like this, so the pigeon would fly away. We would clap, then the pigeon would fly away. But this Sant Mahatma didn't even do that.
इस प्रकार कुछ दिन गुजरने के बाद सब पक्षी ने देखा ये संत महात्मा कैसे निरोधीमान है।
Then the birds kind of started to think that these birds, look at this Sant Mahatma, how much tolerant he is. That look, what we are doing, we are making noise and we are also passing stool, but this Sant Mahatma is not saying anything.
पक्षी विचार करने लगे
Then the birds started to think.
कि हम कुछ शिक्षा ग्रहण करें।
Then the birds started to think, and they thought, let's go to him and take some siksha. Let's take some siksha instructions from the birds.
पक्षी संत महात्मा के चारों तरफ आकर के
So these birds came down and sat next to the Sant Mahatmas and said, Maharaj,
आपको मैंने हम लोग ने आपको कुछ कष्ट दिया।
they said, oh look, we've done so much bad to you, but we passed stool on your head,
हम लोग अनेक प्रकार का
and also we were obstacle with your bhajan by making so much chi 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 noise,
किंतु आपने कुछ नहीं बोले।
but you didn't say anything.
भजन में आप
You were so absorbed in your bhajan.
इससे हमें लगता है
That's why we think
अत्यंत उच्च गति के
that you are very a high class Sant Mahatma.
संत महात्मा दीन करने लगे थे वो तुम लोग
Sant Mahatma is very humble, so he said, you are birds, so that's your nature.
मैं साधु हूँ।
I am a sadhu, so that should be my nature as a sadhu.
अरे नहीं महाराज
Then he said, oh, nahi Maharaj, no.
भगवान के लिए
For
बोल साहब
for us, for our deliverance, please give us some siksha.
मंत्र सिखा देता हूँ।
So he said, I'll teach you one mantra.
साधु के पास जाओ तो साधु आपको क्या देगा?
What will sadhu? If you go to sadhu, what will sadhu give you? Sadhu will give you a mantra.
सब वो दे दे। नहीं भाई भजन करो।
Then he will say, he'll instruct you, actually do bhajan, at least daytime, do 2 malas.
डिफरेंस है कि संत महात्मा
At least Sant Mahatma will tell you that much.
कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे हैं।
Even if you can't do day,
सुबह और शाम को
if you can't do so much bhajan, then at least in the morning do 2 in the morning, or in the evening before you go to sleep do 2 malas.
और क्या दो माला करें तो वही अच्छा दो माला
Even
लोग करते हैं वो
even people, it's better than doing nothing.
माला तो बहुत कर लेते हैं।
Mala is roja.
3
3
लाख
lakh.
हैं? 3 लाख तो हरिदास का भी शुरू
Even Haridas Thakur was 3 lakh.
हमारे गुरुदेव जी उसको लिख रहे हैं।
Our Gurudev is written
में लिखा
in
जब
bhajan.
हरिदास ठाकुर 3 लाख को हरिनाम करते थे।
The Thakur was doing
ये तो
3
हमारे
lakh.
सभी लोग 1 लाख हरिनाम करते थे। हैं?
do 1 lakh.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु कितने हरिनाम करते थे?
Mahaprabhu was
हरे
doing
कृष्ण
this.
गाने के साथ में मूर्छित होता था।
Even by saying just Hare Krishna, he used to faint.
पूरा नाम भी कर लें।
He didn't even manage to complete the whole mantra.
दो माला तीसरी दो माला सुन करके आप दो माला हाँ दो माला ठीक से करके
Haji,
बिल्कुल
yes, even Tikse, when you do these 2 malas, you should do
ठीक
it,
से खाओ
2 malas, you should do it properly with good quality chanting. So if you take 10 rupees and you don't eat it properly, then nothing, it's not good. But even if you take two rotis,
एक माला भी करो ध्यान लगा करके
so when even if you do 1 mala, then make sure your mind is fixed. Mind will go here and there.
चलो संत
But
महात्मा ने
Sant
कहा,
Mahatma said,
देखो हम एक उपदेश देता हूँ
I will give you one
क्या
instruction.
उपदेश है
What was the instruction?
इसको आप अच्छी तरह से लिख लो
You write it down.
एक दिन
एक दिन
शिकारी
शिकारी आएगा. Means
दाना
one
डालेगा
dana dalega. One day a hunter will come and he will put the seeds.
जाल बिछाएगा
And then he'll put a net.
लोग से
And with greed, don't make sure you are not trapped.
लोग से
With greed, don't make sure you are not trapped.
मंत्र के 4 लाइन का मंत्र है
So this is 4-line mantra.
ज़्यादा सुन एक दिन
एक दिन, one day, shikari aega, hunter will come, dana daega, he will put seeds,
लोग से
and he will put a net, and because of greed, make sure you don't get trapped.
मंत्र याद करो
So remember this mantra.
महात्मा बोले जाते हैं
Sant Mahatma said, Pakshi, the bird said, okay.
हाँ जानी कि संत महात्मा मैं से जा रहा हूँ इस स्थान से
Then Sant Mahatma said, okay, I'm leaving this place.
चलो आप लोग के निकट एक बात बता देना यदि
So
आपके जीवन में कोई ऐसे
Sant Mahatma said, if you, there is one thing,
विपद आ जाए
if you have any
तो मुझे
problems
स्मरण कर लेना
in
और
your life,
मंत्र को
then remember me and remember this mantra.
सारे विपद
And then all your problems will be
ऐसे
solved.
करके संत महात्मा
Sant Mahatma said, he left, by saying that much, the Sant Mahatma left that place.
समय की बात होता है
Some,
ऐसे करते करते 2
No, every-
4 महीने बीत गए
like that, 3 months passed away. Then past 3 months passed by, and this
कितने
month,
शिष्य हो जाते हैं
like birds didn't change. Like like Gurudev has so many sishyas, so many disciples. But they take mala, but what happens to the mala? They just hang it up.
ये मेरा मम्मी से दिया फिर रख दिया
Then they'll say, oh, so and so we took that also mala. They'll hang the mala up.
बोले क्यों करते नहीं है मैंने पूछा
Why don't they do the mala? Why? I asked, why
बोले
don't?
मन नहीं लगता है
Because my mind is man nahi lagta hai. Means so my mind doesn't want to chant.
फिर कुछ लोग बोलते हैं मन नहीं लगता क्या करें?
But then said, oh, Ray, what's the point of chanting if my mind is here and there and my mind is not getting fixed in chanting?
आपने कहा दे तो मन को भी चंगा नहीं होगा तो डिग्री को दंड बेकार की बात छोड़ दो
Yeah.
नाम कर बेटा हैं अरे थोड़ी सी कर लो नियम
At least niyam, fix it. Chant some
वो
rounds.
पक्षियां जो कुछ जो है
So these birds,
हम तो जब करने लगे कुछ
they were doing, sometimes they were doing mantri, sometimes they were doing 1 day mantra, and sometimes 3 days, sometimes they were not doing mantri. So really what happened, one day the sikari, the hunter came, and what did the hunter do? And he put some seeds, basmati seeds there, and basmati rice grains, and then over it very, very light net with a thread, very light threaded net he put over it. And then this sikari, and then he went away and put that, and he went away and hid behind and the next day the birds started to say, oh, Bhagwan has done so much kripa for us, we don't have to go and search for our food. The food is already under our tree. So these birds, so the birds started to speak to each other and said, oh, okay, we'll take this food here. So they started to, birds nature is like, they'll do, they eat something, but they put it in their neck, they don't swallow it. So like that, they just took all the seeds. So then this hunter saw that all the birds are standing on the net. And what did the birds do? The hunter do from far away? He pulled the rope. So pull rope. And when he pulled the rope, all these birds were trapped in the net.
शिकारी सोचने लगे,
And the shikari, the hunter, started to think, now the birds are in my net.
करके आता है, तो उसे तो समझ गए। अरे, किसान कहता है,
So the hunter thought, okay, now the birds are in a trap. I want to go and pass urine, so I'll go and do that. So these birds started to flap, 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 flap. The birds started to talk to each other. Arey, what should we do? What should we do? Then we said, oh, remember the mantra?
एक दिन शिकारी आए,
So they said, oh, one bird said, I remember one line.
दूसरी लाइन क्या है?
Then the other one said, oh, what's the second line? She said, Jal Beseja. And then the third said, oh, what's the third line?
लाइन क्या है?
Third line is Dana.
दाना डले, दाना
Dana chale.
चौथा लाइन
And then what's the fourth line?
लोभ से
Lob se. First na nahi. Make sure you don't get trapped because of your greed. Because then they started to say, for bhojan, we are trapped now. Look, now what shall we do? Sant Mahatma told us, he said, if you have any problems in your life, if problem comes, then you remember me and chant this mantra. And also, so what did all the birds started to chant? And they started to remember the master. So they started to flap with their wings, even they came out from the trap and they flew up in the sky. And then the shikari, when the hunter came, they said, oh, how did these birds come out from the trap? And then there was a river nearby. There's a big river nearby. And then these birds, they fell down and they fell on the other side of the bank, river. And the river, the shikari, the hunter cannot see. The hunter cannot go and catch them. Then when the birds fell down, Dana, when these birds fell down, and the rice, the grains of rice they had in their throat, they vomited that out. And there used to be some chue. This is how this Maharaj Gurudev is explaining how the birds were released out from the trap. So this when they vomited these seeds, there was a chua. Chua means a mouse. Mouse was around, and then the mouse started to beat, and he cut the trap. He cut the trap, and that's how the birds were releasing. So what is the siksha from this for us? We should have faith in Bhagwan and also in sadhu. Who has got faith? Durjan, Sugan. Surjan means who is a wise person will call out Guru, and Durjan means who is not a very wise person. They will not call out for God. So this sadhu sang, the sakhas are just admiring all the trees, and they are saying this is sadhu, like these trees are pukare, like they are calling out for sadhu, like they are calling out. Patra pushpam he said, what is the glory of the tree? Pushpa, leaves, pushpa, full of flowers, sticks. Even if you burn the tree, that also will be useful. If you burn, it's useful for others. So that way the Shastras are saying the glory of the tree. Then the Bhagwan said one slok. In this slok, Ekavan Janmastan,
देहिनाम्यो देहिषु
Dina
समस्त प्राणियों की
Samasta Prani ke.
तत्पर है।
What is it? It's like
किसी
all the
प्रकार
animals,
से परोपकार में अपने को समर्पित करें।
in whichever way, however, upkar, they surrender.
प्राण, अर्थ, धिया, वाचा,
Vacha, Diya, you know,
शरीर दे करके,
they with body,
मन दे करके,
with the mind,
वचन दे करके,
with the
और
speech,
अर्थ आदि दे करके ही
and artha means their wealth.
ये कहते हैं,
If they surrender, they serve.
देहिनाम्यो देहिषु प्राण, अर्थ, धिया, वाचा। यदि अर्थ के द्वारा
Artha,
की सेवा करते हैं,
even earth mind means wealth.
वचन के द्वारा
You are serving, or with the speech, you are serving.
किसके द्वारा करते हैं? अर्थ के द्वारा। यदि भगवान जैसे जिस प्रकार दिया,
Whatever Bhagwan's given you, wealth is.
उस अर्थ के क्या बोलते
What should you do with the wealth? Use for Bhagavad Seva.
हैं? यदि भगवत सेवा में अर्थ नहीं लगाया, बेकार
If you don't use that wealth for Bhagavad Seva, then you know the thieves will probably steal it from you. Then it's totally wasted. And with your body serve Bhagwan, with vachan, with your speech, with sweet pukar, you know, call out
भागवत कथा आदि के द्वारा ही
like Bhagavad Katha. Use.
सबसे परोपकार क्या है?
What is the topmost?
वचनों के द्वारा।
With vachan, you know, by Bhagavad Katha.
वैसे विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाठ
Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying, Janma Safalam, when the birth will be successful, if you, if Shravan, hearing of Bhagavad Katha, speech, all the speech, what is the superior is, most superior is Bhagavad Katha. Tapta Jivanam.
श्रवणमङ्गलं श्रीमदाततं भुविन्दन्ति ते भूरिता जना।
Srimati Radhika is saying in this kirtan, in Gopi Gita, Tavak Amritam, Radhaji is saying from her mouth, she's singing Bhagwan's Katha will deliver the jivas.
इसमें अंतिम श्लोक में सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद है इति प्रवाल तावक फल पुष्पोदय कोरि करुणां साधनं मद्दतो जमुनांतता। इस प्रकार से भगवान
This time Bhagwan,
पुष्प वृक्ष आदि की
like
अभिनंदन करते हुए
he is glorifying the trees,
और समस्त गोपालों के साथ जमुना में
and with the
स्नान
and he with all the gopalas, he's having a snan in Yamuna. Patitanam pavan vayo Vaishnaveyo.
अभी महाराज जी
Now Maharaji
बताएं।
will speak.